The evolution of the pouch is at the heart of the circular economy. Innovation in pouches delivers value on two fronts: shelf performance and sustainability. We deliver that through a collaborative journey. We work closely with our partners to ensure that every pouch not only protects the product, but also protects the planet. Through our expertise in the pouch group, we help brands replace traditional, non-recyclable structures with high-performance, circular alternatives. We prove that shelf-ready and sustainable can perfectly coexist.
The customer experience we offer at INTERPACK this year demonstrates our position as a dedicated partner. For us, this is not a platform to display products, but a collaborative space where we analyze our customer needs and discuss opportunities for the future developments. In the packaging industry, application-specific solutions have become more vital than standard products. By integrating our technical expertise and material knowledge, today we are offering customers a tangible value. Our expectations are always to develop new partnerships, particularly in sustainable packaging solutions, down-gauging projects, and high-performance lamination structures. We view INTERPACK as a foundation for this long-term strategic partnership.
Our role is to take sustainability goals and make them into something practical and tangible. Delivering real-world solutions to problems faced by consumers and customers is at the heart of everything we do. The future of packaging should be more than a vision. We want to make sure it's implemented for the benefit of all of us. Delivering sustainability, pack by pack, is more than just a motto for us.